Folks, everybody needs one of these guys in the garden. It's called a bow saw. This bow saw comes with a protective casing over the blade so that when you have finished cutting, you can simply put the blade cover back on it. Right, let's talk about this guy. It's got a Teflon coated blade, which makes it much easier for when you're going to be sawing, and it'll protect it. The blades are also replaceable. So when this guy has done its time, you can simply get another one. When finished using your bow saw, do unwind it just slightly over here, just to take a bit of the tension off, because that makes it last just that much longer in your blade. So when you're good to go, tighten it up a bit, and then you can carry on sawing. The great thing about this guy is that it's got a tri-system within the teeth, which means it's really going to cut well. And the important part about it is that it works on the downward action and on the pulling. Take a look here. Literally, when I pull back, the back stroke, it's cutting, and the forward stroke, it's cutting. What's really important with any saws, folks, is never force it. So gently does it, and the job will get done for you and not by you. If you found this clip useful, like it, share it, and go to our YouTube Builders fan page where you can find more interesting gardening clips to turn you into a better gardener.